Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use conditional formatting highlight cells rules. First, understand that these rules automatically change cell appearance based on specific criteria you set. This powerful feature helps you quickly identify trends, outliers, or important data points within large datasets. It's a fantastic way to make your spreadsheets more visual and easier to interpret at a glance, saving you valuable time. Let's explore some common highlight rules. You can easily highlight cells that are greater than, less than, or equal to a specific value, like sales above $10,000. You can also find cells containing particular text, such as pending, or identify duplicate entries across a range. These options provide immediate visual feedback, making your data insights much clearer and more accessible for everyone. Applying these rules is straightforward. Begin by selecting the range of cells you want to format. Then, navigate to the Home tab on your ribbon and click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, choose Highlight Cells Rules and pick the specific rule you need. Finally, customize the value and select your preferred formatting style, like a light red fill with dark red text, and click OK. Managing your conditional formatting rules is crucial for maintaining clean data. You can easily access the Manage Rules option to edit existing rules, change their order of application, or delete them entirely. If you need to start fresh, simply use the Clear Rules option for selected cells or the entire worksheet. Regularly reviewing your rules ensures your data presentation remains accurate and effective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.